Morning, guys. Sorry about my wet hair and my lack of makeup. Where is good light? I guess here. So we are off to either go for a walk or go kayaking, which I'm very excited about today. And we're gonna take you guys along with us. I am just filling the dog bowls up before we leave, so they have plenty of water. We decided not to take the dogs today, so let me just set you guys up here somehow. I guess it's fine. So we are going to our favorite place, North Park, but today we're not going to bring the dogs because we can't decide if we're going to go kayaking or whether we're going to go for a walk. So we decided that it would be best to leave these puppers at home. Leave these puppers at home. Aww. Do you guys love me? Yeah. Do you guys love me? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the kisses. Oh, I should show you guys. This is our new plant and a new basket, which I'm very happy about. We went to IKEA the other day and they had like tons of plants on sale. Oh my gosh, I'm failing at this today. Tons of plants on sale, so we picked up a few for the house. Here.
What am I doing?
Oh, you look nice. I look terrible.
Oh no, I just put sunscreen on. Trying on a new hairstyle.
I'm not bringing my bag.
That's absolutely fine. You don't need it.
Do I need my keys?
Nope.
I don't usually bring my keys.
Nope. Just bring me. My keys, my phone.
Yeah, we need
Yeah,
this.
we need that.
Cool.
Garage remote.
Where's my phone?
Your phone's over here. This one seems to be content. How you doing, Zoe? Resting state. Chivalry is not dead. Hashtag the Conties. Hashtag the Conties. Yeah, it's so hard. There you go, that's B-roll. It's so hard because I want to like talk about that kind of
Hey guys, change of plans.
Too tired to kayak. We pulled up, there was no parking, and decided we're not gonna do that.
Well, we were like driving through the park and like it's all really beautiful and like tons of people are exercising. But like just watching them exercise
Yeah, like this little girl pushing her bike up the hill. Oh,
seems so tiring.
yes.
Like I'm tired just looking at it. So we're probably gonna go to some secret place that we can't tell you about yet. And then grab a snack.
Because, you know, Whole Foods is the best for snack.
Yeah, because I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. We like leave the house, we're like completely fine. We get outside, we get out of the house for 15 minutes and we're like already hungry.
I know.
That's our life.
Life with the Ungers.
Oh wow, look at this other lake. Show them the lake. Show them the lake. Show the viewers the lake. Show the subscribers.
This is part of the lake.
Part of it. Wow.
I guess we just don't work hard enough, babe.
No, we're weak.
We're kind of lazy.
I can admit it.
We're lazy. So instead of going to the park for a nice relaxing walk,
Hey.
Jake is cleaning the gutters. What are you barking about? Where's your ball? You really? No, I'm not going in there, Lily. You gonna commentary?
What?
Are you gonna commentary so I actually have good content here?
Sorry, I'm gonna see if I can do the old extended ladder thing, which is probably not very smart.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna climb out on it. Like,
Make sure the ground is solid enough.
you know, that's. Let's do that. Actually, let's find a better way.
That's the same height that you were just at. Maybe that's why it's never been cleaned before.
Probably. That or I just climb on the roof.
That one's a hard one to get to.
Yeah.
We're trying to get to that tiny little gutter there. I mean, the only other way is to lift me up. Oh my gosh. I don't see her ball. There's nothing there. You giving up?
No, I'm gonna climb on the roof.
But don't you have to do the other
What?
gutter?
Yeah, oh, yeah, I guess I should do that one, yeah. You mind closing that? Thank you.
I'm just wondering where her ball is.
I know, I think it's her imagination.
Well, now she doesn't have any ball. She's not holding anything.
I know.
I don't want to go in that bush. Lily, why did you have to go do that? You've never done that. There's your ball. Stop. Go. Go. Let Mommy and Daddy finish this job. Stay.
You just hold her on a leash and let her sniff for it.
Well, we can when we go for a walk.
Yeah.
She needs to put that in the freezer. She's so silly. Guys, word of advice here. A word of serious advice. You have to join me in this serious word of advice.
Yeah.
Never buy a dog that is ball obsessed. It is the worst thing in the planet. On the planet.
In the planet, on the planet.
It's the worst thing on the planet.
It's true.
It consumes your life. And you also have to deprive your dog.
I know, it's a lose-lose.
Where is she? See, look at her. Look how much she's suffering. Look how much she's suffering. She's suffering greatly because she doesn't have a ball.
boy.
Here.
More pooping. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. You still feeling frustrated? I'm talking to Lily. Lily. Yeah, this is kind of our day-to-day. Well, not day-to-day, but just tackle things on the house and make sure the dogs are content. Lily's still looking for her ball. Give it a good yank. Yes. Yep, sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go for a walk.
Good girl. You got your keys?
Ready.
She probably wants to go for a walk.
No.
Oh yeah, Lily wants to go find her ball.
Yeah, go find her, Lily.
See, she doesn't want to go in there just as much as we don't. Oh, there she goes. There's no ball there.
Right? See? We didn't lie to
See?
you.
We're good parents. Hey guys, I was just editing this vlog and realized I had never ended the video. So I'm here kind of sweaty and greasy because I just came back from a walk. So excuse my look, but I'm just wanting to end the vlog here. It was actually supposed to be a two-part vlog, but I ended up deciding it was too long. So the video that comes after this was supposed to be at the end. But anyway, doesn't matter. This is going to be the end of the vlog. So if you like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Feelings, the city screaming when I'm coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.